Hey everyone, welcome back to another trade recap. In today's video, I'll be going over how I made $1,500 across 5 top step accounts. Yes, these are combines, but I'm passing them, scaling back up after TradeSync cooked all my accounts, so I'm back to scaling up. But yeah, trade recap on how I made $1,500 on 5 accounts. As you can see, proof here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Of course, if we go to my performance stat, as you can see, 100% win rate, day win rate as well, and as you can see, 1 trade taken here. Not trying to lie, showing full transparency here. This is a trade I took. As you can see, my executions are here. But what I want to do in 2026 going into it, I want to try to do trade recap on every single trade I take. But I mean, yeah, let's get right into it. So, starting off on the time frame, what was my draws on liquidity? My draws on liquidity for the day, low-key, I was a bit cooked because like when market opened, I actually did not know what I want to do. It was low-key kind of chopping in this range. I would have looked for shorts as well, but there was nothing clear for me personally. I did have these 1, 2, 3 draws lower, which was nice to see. Where I had this draw higher and this draw higher. To be honest, I just didn't know what price was going, so I didn't actually want to enter any trades of market open. So I waited for some nice displacement to an upside or downside to see where market wanted to go. So if we go to the 5-minute right here, I'll turn off the executions actually. If we make NQ bigger. Anyways, 5-minute we go here. And market open, we actually take out my first draw on liquidity. And price skyrockets up. It creates a SMT with ES. But that SMT really does not matter because the higher time frame was overall bullish leading up into the day. If you go to the 4-hour, as you can see, 1 hour as well, pretty strong, just bullish price action here. So my draws were higher. I was leading more bullish on the day, but I just wasn't sure and I wanted to see more displacement occurring. That's just my main thing. Other than that, I was fine with taking a long trade. There was not many invading 15-minute gaps. That was a small one, but the strength of this one of 22 points and compared to this one of 9 points clearly demonstrated that, okay, we are like more bullish and this gap will highly get invalidated. So I was fine taking longs against it. As you can see, when up here, tapped into this 5-minute gap, we actually got a really deep retracement into it, which is kind of crazy. Go down to the 1 minute, and I was like, okay, for me to take shorts, I wanted to see an inversion of this gap for me to even consider going shorts. That was my if-then statement for the day, okay, guys? That was what I was looking for. But what happened? We came down, strong rejection of it. As you can see, these were some nice candles. I low-key kind of got filled at a bad time. I think I entered here, but got entered there, which is kind of unlucky, I guess. Had a 1 to 1.003 RR. Pretty easy day, to be honest. A lot of people took these trades and it was clean displacement. We had the displacement, clear draw on liquidity, safe entry as well. For me, this was A plus, and all the time frames were pretty much bullish going into the day as well. The 1 hour, the 4 hours kind of chopping in my opinion, and that was just one thing I had written down. But again, the 4 hours more for bias and not really for like entering or looking for trades. But again, this is A plus plus for me, and genuinely a W day, easy day. Everyone should have capitalized on these longs. But yeah, that's really it. It's really that simple. Just want to be patient. I actually didn't go break even on this trade. Actually, I don't really have a break even point. There was nothing to really go break even. Oh, another thing, ES actually hit TP first. Surprisingly, yes. I had the exact same trade marked on ES, but I was more bearish on ES just because of that SMT. Again, we tapped into it. It was a more cleaner tap into the 5-minute gap. After that, what did we get? Nice rejection off it. I would have low-key entered right here because what kind of, that is an insane candle. The displacement was so much stronger than the retracement here. So I can't lie, ES was probably a better opportunity to take this trade. But it's just that we had that SMT there, which really threw me off. So I was okay, ES, even though it had better displacement, the SMT was there. So I took it on NQ. ES actually hit TP in 1 to 3 minutes. NQ is 1 to 3 minutes as well. So it really did not matter. But again, both these were A++ trades. Halfway through passing 550k combines on top step, got to scale back up. It is what it is. TradeSync blew my accounts. Pretty annoyed with that. I blew my alpha and top step ones. I had max calculation with 2 firms going into 2026. But it is what it is. You can't really control much. But yeah, easy day, clean day. Up, I don't know how much is 1500 times 5. Let's do the maths. 1500 times 5 accounts, which is 7,500, which is a pretty nice day. Starting off 2026, pretty strong, to be honest. But yeah, Hope you guys enjoyed the trade recap. If you guys do want to learn one-on-one or join my premium mentorship or group mentorship as well, that I'll have them in the link description. Message me on Instagram if you guys do have any questions about trading. If you want to learn, get started into it, I'm happy to help. But yeah, other than that, other than that, guys, I hope you enjoy. Take care. Make sure to journal, and I'll see you guys in the next trade recap. See ya.